OpenAI now unveiling its first model to run entirely on chips from the startup Cerebras. It's a sign of companies diversifying beyond Nvidia GPUs. Our Deirdre Bosa has more on that in today's Tech Check. Morning, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So never mind that OpenAI is one of Nvidia's largest customers. This is also part of a larger trend. Google shipped Gemini 3 in December, trained and served on its own custom AI chips, TPUs. Then you got Chinese AI lab Jipu releasing GLM trained on Huawei chips. And we know that others like Meta and Microsoft, they are diversifying, working and now shipping their own versions of AI chips, at least for themselves. Now, the move for OpenAI here is inference. And that may actually matter more financially because training is a one-time cost, but inference, actually running the model for millions of users, that is a recurring cost. And as these products scale, this is where the majority of compute dollars is supposed to go. Now, to be fair, this isn't OpenAI's most powerful model. This is GPT 5.3 Codex Spark. It is lighter and faster, but that is often what actually gets adopted. Flagship is the prestige play. Workhorse model is the revenue play. Nvidia can continue to win the former, but it is ceding ground in the volume game. Now, OpenAI is being very careful here. Before this model, it was running everything on Nvidia chips, or Ashley Kaput confirmed that. But now in a statement saying Nvidia is still foundational while deliberately expanding the ecosystem around it. So it's a diplomatic way of saying we love Jensen, but we're dating other people. Now, there's also real friction here. Reuters reporting earlier this month that OpenAI is unsatisfied with some of Nvidia's latest chips for inference. Now, this is a tension that's playing out across the entire industry right now. Every major AI lab, they still want Blackwell allocation. This is still the gold standard, but behind closed doors, nobody wants to be this dependent on a single supplier. So they're smiling at Nvidia with one hand and signing deals with Cerebras, Broadcom, AMD with the other. The investor narrative, guys, it is shifting accordingly. Infrastructure money, those hundreds of billions, trillions of dollars, they will still get spent, but where it is spent will look different, and Nvidia arguably the one with the most to lose here.
I mean, Deirdre, I can understand maybe if you're Nvidia, you don't love this move. Maybe you want to be exclusive. But if you're anyone else, is it just a smart move to diversify, make sure that you have other partners that can help you run your business successfully?
Yeah, absolutely. It's one, supply and demand. Nvidia can't make the highest end GPUs fast enough to satisfy everyone that wants them. So that's a nice problem to have. But that means that they also have pricing power, right? They've had a near monopoly sort of on this segment for years now. And we know how important these companies, at least in America, want to reach new frontier models. China also needs them. So they want to diversify, one, to get better deals, not just let Nvidia continue to raise prices whenever they want, but also, yes, like actually serve the inference that they need. And that's why, even Anthropic is using Google TPUs, and you have Cerebras, and you have a number of other chip makers that are making a play, importantly, for that inference area, which seems easier than training because everyone still wants the Blackwells, the most advanced chips for that part.
Dee, meantime, I wonder if you think that the memory chip story got a little broader this week. It's not just about Dell and HP. It's crept into Apple, Cisco yesterday, fifth worst day in 25 years.
It's so fascinating, Carl. I know I talk a lot about sort of the Chinese competition, but here it's extremely relevant as well. There was a piece a few weeks ago about American companies actually wanting to buy Chinese memory chips. And we talk about the high end, the advanced chip market in China, how they're getting better and better. But at the lower end memory chips, China has improved enormously as well. And clearly there's a market for them, similar to this story, right? Both at the high end and the low end, there's sort of this chip scarcity, and the Chinese are doing a pretty good job at filling the gap.
Yeah. Dee, appreciate it. A lot of cross currents this morning in AI and memory and all the rest. That's Deirdre Bosa. Market's been actually adding to its gains throughout the course of the day. Russell up almost 1.75%, 68.70 S&P. VIX has managed to get below 20. Next week, we'll start to talk more consumer.
More consumer. We got the big one next week. You have Walmart earnings coming on Thursday morning, and shares of Walmart have really been on fire so far this year. Of course, new CEO John Furner. He wouldn't have been the CEO CEO residing over this quarter, but still we will expect to hear from him on the call, and we'll see sort of if the investors have gotten it right with the Walmart story so far. I think we're up 10 or 11% year to date. It's pretty incredible. Oh, actually, yeah, 20% now year to date. Wow.
Plus the amazing story of leadership turnover in consumer names. Walmart, Target, Nike,
Lululemon coming. Yeah,
right.
Exactly. There's a lot, even Bath & Body Works. I mean, some of the smaller names, a lot of turnover there.
You'll be busy, even on a holiday shortened week. Thanks so much, Court.
Thank you.
Always good to have you in. Have a great long weekend. Let's get to the judge of Post 9.